Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
Arteon shooting brake R-Line 2-litre TDI at a whopping 200 PS 4MOTION comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a manganese grey metallic finish and looks remarkable. The car has been well maintained during its life cycle and has one previous owner and delivery miles. You have the 19-inch Montevideo black diamond turned surface alloy wheels which complement the exterior finish well, creating a really classic look to the vehicle. Powerful mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, and an electric tailgate. Simply hold the button on the key and you can access the boot directly. Great if you have your hands filled with shopping, for example. A longer boot space, perfect for things like golf clubs, for example, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel. ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and a lot of legroom. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the immersive dashboard display, which we'll touch on this soon. In pan around, you can see we have the black and titanium black interior upholstery with the R-Line embroidery on the seats. The car hosts a panoramic sunroof, offering a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, and due to the colossal size, everyone can enjoy the benefits of this. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use and also incorporates DSG shift paddles. On the dashboard display, it shows key information like your driving data and your navigation, and to the left hand side you have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort throughout. Over to the infotainment screen, as you can see, this is the larger display known as the Discover Pro, which is an upgraded option, and you can access features like your driving mode selection with 4 different driving modes like Eco for a more fuel efficient drive, while Sport offers a more performance based drive, and Individual allows you to tweak a wide array of different settings to get to that perfect driving position. App Connect enables Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your Mirror Link, allowing you to safely display your phone directly through the car to access driver safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and even Google Maps navigation if you do prefer that over the native nav system that the car does host. In top park distance control, we have our parking sensors, ensuring confidence and safety in every maneuver, ensuring that minimize the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. You can access this by pressing the button or simply popping the car into reverse, where these sensors will automatically display for you. Lastly, the car also incorporates heated front seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience, and these are separately controlled. A dual climate control which allows you to simply swipe your finger to adjust the intensity of the heat and blowers, and you can synchronize this with a master switch. This video on the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.